Strategies for learning idiomatic expressions. Hello and welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's video, we will be focusing on an important aspect of advanced vocabulary: idiomatic expressions. Idiomatic expressions are phrases that have a different meaning from the literal interpretation of their individual words. They add color and depth to your language skills, making your English sound more natural and fluent. Before we delve into strategies for learning idiomatic expressions, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of what they are. Idiomatic expressions are fixed phrases or figurative language that native English speakers commonly use in specific situations. These expressions often reflect cultural references or historical events. For example, "It's raining cats and dogs" means that it's raining heavily, not literally cats and dogs falling from the sky. To successfully learn and use idiomatic expressions, it's essential to recognize that their meanings are not always predictable based on the individual words. They require a context-based interpretation, so it's important to study them in phrases or sentences rather than in isolation. To effectively learn idiomatic expressions, it's crucial to have a strong vocabulary foundation. Expanding your vocabulary will provide you with the necessary words and phrases to understand idiomatic expressions in context. Here are some strategies to help you build your vocabulary. 1. Read extensively. Engage with a variety of English materials, such as books, articles, blogs, and newspapers. This exposure to different writing styles and topics will introduce you to new vocabulary and idiomatic expressions. 2. Use a dictionary. Whenever you encounter an unfamiliar word, look it up in a reliable dictionary. Take note of its meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and example sentences to understand how it's used in context. 3. Create flashcards. Write down new words and idiomatic expressions on flashcards, including their definitions and sample sentences. Regularly review these flashcards to reinforce your learning and improve retention. Learning idiomatic expressions in context is crucial for comprehension and practical application. Here are some strategies to help you learn idiomatic expressions in context. 1. Listen to native speakers. Pay attention to how native English speakers use idiomatic expressions in conversations, movies, TV shows, and podcasts. This exposure to natural speech patterns will help you grasp their meanings and usage. 2. Use idiomatic expressions in sentences. Practice using idiomatic expressions in your own sentences. This exercise will help you understand the appropriate contexts and reinforce your memory of their meanings. 3. Engage in conversation. Communicate with native English speakers or language exchange partners. By actively participating in conversations, you can gain confidence in using idiomatic expressions and receive feedback on their usage. To truly internalize idiomatic expressions, repetition and practice are key. Here are some strategies to help you reinforce your understanding and usage. 1. Write and rewrite. Take the time to write down idiomatic expressions, their meanings, and sample sentences. Repeat this process several times to reinforce your memory and deepen your understanding. 2. Create dialogues. Write dialogues incorporating idiomatic expressions and act them out with a language partner or even by yourself. This interactive approach helps you become more comfortable with using the expressions in a conversational context. 3. Challenge yourself. Engage in exercises and quizzes specifically designed to test your knowledge of idiomatic expressions. Online resources and textbooks often provide these types of activities to help you practice and reinforce what you've learned. Congratulations on completing this video on *strategies for